How much do you like the canvas panels from Nanoleaf? I don't even have the canvas panels from Nanoleaf. I'm gonna buy them next month, 100%. I'm gonna add them to the setup. It's gonna look hella sick, dude. They're gonna go right above all these monitors here. And my plan with them is I kind of want to space them out. So there's gonna basically be like gaps in between the square Nanoleaf like LED panels. So, you know, we're probably gonna have like one here, one here, one here, one here, and then like maybe one above the PC or something, if that makes any sense whatsoever. So it's just gonna be square panels, but they're gonna be spread out obviously above the monitors. I think it's gonna look pretty sick, dude. And of course you can sync up those Nanoleaf canvas panels with things like Razer Chroma, which is exactly how you want to be controlling LED lighting. Razer Chroma and Razer Synapse. It's pretty easy software to use, and just you can switch lighting effects like that. And on top of all that, these canvas LED lights from Nanoleaf, they even integrate with a bunch of games. And when you pair that with Razer Synapse, then they can like react to what's going on in game. So let's say you get shot or something in a game, your Nanoleaf panels can flash red or something, you know? A bunch of games support Razer Chroma nowadays. There's like so many game integrations, it's insane. I'll leave a link down below in the description to like all the games that are supported by Razer Chroma. But my god, it's a lot of games nowadays, and even like new games that come out every now and again, they end up supporting like Razer Chroma, which is always pretty cool. Makes the whole like gaming experience a lot more three-dimensional. I don't know if that's like the right way to describe it, but if the actual environment around you is like reacting to what's going on in game, so it's not just like what you're seeing on your monitor screen, it's literally your whole room, your whole environment that you're in reacting to what's going on in this video game. Makes it a whole lot more immersive. I think that's the word I was looking for there. Just much more immersive experience when you're gaming. That is always cool. Is YouTube your 9 to 5 or something on the side at the moment, asks Kieran Long. Well, yeah, YouTube's my full-time job, and it has been for a long time. Ever since this channel hit like 10,000 or so subs, it pretty much just became my normal job. I left where I was working at the time and just pursued YouTube full-time, and luckily everything's pretty much like ended up working out in the end, which is just amazing. I'm very happy, very thankful that everything just kind of worked out. And I even dropped out of college because I think someone asked like, did I go to college or something? Yeah, I even kind of just didn't finish my college course, but I really had no interest in like working for someone else. In my mind, I was always like, you know, YouTube is what I'm just gonna stick to. Like, you know, we gonna make it someday with YouTube, with these RGB videos. We gonna do it. And I guess after just countless years of just making videos, like I didn't used to always make RGB videos. I think I started off as like a Minecraft channel or something. And you can look back at like the old videos on the channel from 2013. I think a couple of them are still probably up on the channel. Like you can see where I began, but I was like a hella young kid, you know. Pretty cringy videos, don't watch them. But like my content nowadays, I'm actually like pretty proud of. Like I feel like the channel has improved so much in the last like year or so, especially like the quality of these videos that I'm able to put out. Plus like I've kind of grown a lot as a person as well, and like hopefully that's like reflected in the videos that I post nowadays. What was the first product you reviewed on your channel? I'm pretty sure the first like tech product video I made on the channel that was like related to tech was, I think, unboxing like one of my first ever gaming PCs that had a GT 640 graphics card from NVIDIA. It was a goddamn potato of a PC. I didn't even have an SSD for like years and years. It was a long time ago. I'm pretty sure that video is like from maybe 2013, 2014. I'm almost certain it's still up on the channel. You can press on the card on screen and go watch. I think like 13 or 14-year-old M tried to unbox a gaming PC with just one hand, and I'm pretty sure there was no editing in the video either. It was just like 8 minutes uncut raw footage of me just unboxing like a PC with one hand. It's a pretty funny video, maybe a little bit cringy because like I don't even know what the hell I said in that video, to be honest, but yeah, you can go watch it, it's there. What's your height in feet? I suppose some people want to know that because like let's say you're buying like this GT Omega chair, you know, like you can use code, I think it's like TechBlock for 5% off. If you shop on GT Omega, I am like 5'10", maybe 5'11", but I'm pretty sure I'm like 5'10" or something. I'm like 176 centimeters. something like that. I'm pretty sure that's my height. Maybe I've grown a little bit now. Maybe I'm like 177, you know, on a good day. But that's my height. And this chair, this GT Omega Element chair is honestly the best chair I've ever sat in from GT Omega. This is amazing. These armrests have almost like a layer of like memory foam like on top of them, and oh my god, this is the nicest armrests imaginable. It doesn't get better than this, man. These are so comfy, so soft. Like genuinely, this is an amazing chair. This isn't the Napa version of this chair. This is the standard Element series chair that I think is like $300 or 300 pounds on their website. There's a link down below, of course, to where you can buy it. But oh my god, this is an amazing chair. Well built, and I just love it. It's so stealthy. Like, it looks a lot more professional than like your typical freaking gaming chair that's like in a racing seat or whatever. This looks way more professional, and it is a comfortable chair, I'll tell you that. I like how this was a question about my height and I started talking about GT Omega. I just do really like this chair. It's really good. So if you're my height, this chair is gonna fit you. And if you're wondering how much does M weigh as well, I'm currently around 68, maybe 69 kg at the minute. That's my weight, that's my height. Are you planning on doing a setup tour video anytime soon? Love the vids, says Green Donut 13. Dude, absolutely, man. I really want to do a new setup tour video. I've already like thought of the thumbnail for the video. I've already made the thumbnail actually, and it's just a matter of time, dude. I think I'm gonna film a setup tour video real soon and probably post it in the next like week or so, because the setup has changed quite a decent amount, especially over the last like couple months. We got a freaking triple monitor setup now, dude. Everything is just so sick. I love it so much. We expanded the colo lights. This looks a lot more better in my opinion now. Just like, it fills the wall up a little bit more because there was kind of like empty space here. We put this freaking monitor arm all the way here, right next to the base station there. Everything just fits in so nicely. I'm so freaking happy. We got new keycaps, a volume wheel, like, and this freaking clock right here that's like almost a part of the monitor stand. It's just beautiful. I love this setup. I think we have to do a setup tour video. Let me know in the comments if we should do a full setup tour video again, because the last one we did was I think like 2-3 months ago, and I was in a full hazmat suit. I had a face mask on. It was a very different video than usual. But yeah, I think I posted that like 2-3 months ago. So if you want to go watch my previous setup tour video, it's pretty cool. You can press on the card somewhere on screen and go watch that one. But I think we should definitely do another one, and I think in the new setup tour video that I'll film with, you know, the triple monitors and everything, I need to come up with like a skit or something to make the intro of the video, you know, pretty funny or pretty interesting, just different, I don't know. But I'm gonna try to come up with like a cool intro for the next setup tour video. So be on the lookout for that one. It's gonna come out soon. Not tech related, but until you do FitBlockEm. I actually like that name, dude. Oh my god, FitBlockEm. Is that what like my fitness channel should be called? We got TechBlockEm, we got TB Games, and FitBlockEm, dude. Oh my god, I can't have another channel, no way. Do you have a diet plan to stick to is basically what he's asking me here. And I kind of do. Over the last couple months, I think since the start of like February of this year, I have began to cut out carbohydrates out of my diet. So pretty much very little sugar in my diet, and on top of that I cut out pasta, I cut out like most bad food. My diet now is basically like a ketogenic diet. I've been fasting a lot more, so I fast for around like maybe 16-18 hours a day on hopefully most days of the week. I'm like really trying to fast a lot more because I do feel better and I'm able to like work more. There really are just so many benefits to intermittent fasting as well as a ketogenic diet, because that's basically like what I'm doing at the minute. I've combined both, and I can tell you for a fact I've never ever felt like better with like the way my body feels. I guess like there's less inflammation. Like I just feel better as a person. I'll leave a very, very good channel down below in the description that you should absolutely check out if you kind of like want to get your health in order or just experiment with like a different diet, I suppose. Like you don't have to stick to a ketogenic diet, you know. I ain't trying to like force all of you to like change your diet all of a sudden. Oh my god, go keto. But like, you know, that's up to you. This is just something that worked for me, and it worked for me after I started to watch this channel called Dr. Eric Berg on YouTube, and it really did have a positive impact on my life. really like making a big change in the type of food that goes into my body, because the type of food that you put in your body, man, that is really important. That's your fuel, dude. And like, you gotta make sure that, you know, you're not constantly eating junk, and you're not constantly eating just terrible food that just really isn't good for you, man. So you gotta take care of yourself. It's alright every now and again to like cheat, to have a pizza, to have burgers, you know? Just don't like overdo it, you know? Life's all about balance. But yeah, I don't know where I'm going with this. Just take care of yourself. But yeah, this guy asked, you know, what diet plan? Keto is what I'm on. One thing I do want to try out, like I still kind of want to try out the carnivore diet. I bet that would be like super wicked, man. Carnivore diet. But I heard that it takes a little bit of time to adjust to it and everything. So maybe one day I'm gonna hop on the carnivore diet, like 100%, because I kind of try to experiment, like implementing it into my life. But man, it is hard to make like that big of a change. Like at the minute, most of my food consists of like, I eat steak. I've bought a bunch of chicken now, so I'm gonna try eat more chicken. I also try to eat like 1 or 2 bowls of salad a day. I actually ended up going on Amazon and buying like a bunch of meal prep boxes with like resealable lids, so I can actually meal prep for once, because what I do is I'll go to Tesco and I'll buy some salad, and then I can like meal prep free salads, like it's got all the seasoning on it. Maybe in the next Q&A we should bring back a Cooking with Em episode, because it's been a while and now my diet's changed a lot, so I guess it makes sense to make another Cooking with Em video. This time we're gonna be cooking a steak and probably making some salad, because that's kind of like what my usual meal is at the minute. That's kind of like what I've been eating lately. Someone also asked, what brand of this cable am I using? This is a retractable magnetic tracking cable. What the heck am I saying? This is a retractable magnetic charging cable. Oh my god. And boom, this is how it works. It just like attaches to the headset magnetically. It's the coolest thing ever, man. Like, this has made using the Nari Ultimate such a better experience, because I really didn't enjoy the fact that Razer are using micro USB on this headset, and it's not a Type-C cable. Micro USB is just a no-go. So what I did is I bought this magnetic charging cable. This has a micro USB magnetic tip that I just plugged into the headset, and whenever I want to charge it, it just connects via a magnet. It's just amazing, all right? And it charges the headset really fast. This as an actual charging cable, surprisingly enough, like I really didn't think that this would actually do a good job at charging and charging it at like a decent speed, but I was proven wrong, I guess. It's pretty damn decent, man. It charges the headset really quick. Super cool cable, dude. Link in the description down below, of course, to where you can buy that one. And if you want to buy anything else in the setup, or you'll just like find out what's in the setup, you know, you ain't gotta buy it. You can just like look at it, think about it. Also, if you're ever interested in any of the things that we have in the setup, you know, we got everything linked down below over on the TechBlock website. Just go to the gaming setup page and you're gonna find literally every single product that you see in this gaming setup, even all my PC parts, my racing sim, all my camera gear. Everything is over on the website. Even this beautiful RGB Culture t-shirt. Super happy with this design and the actual quality of these shirts. These are from American Apparel. They're pretty like long t-shirts, to be honest. They're really stretchy, super comfortable to wear, pretty decent fit around your arms as well. I'm at the minute wearing a medium. You know my height, you know my weight. I'm wearing medium at the minute. However, I do also fit in a small, and the small one is, you know, just like much more tight fit. So if you're into that, you know, you can get a small, or you can get a medium, or you can get whatever size you want to get, because we got a bunch of different sizes for this t-shirt, even up to like triple XL or something. It's crazy. Anyway, if you want to participate in future Q&As on the channel, this is my Instagram at TechBlockEm. That's my handle. You can follow me, link down below in the description, of course. Every now and again on Instagram, I'll post a story announcing that I'm doing a Q&A, and you can just ask your question on the story. It's a super simple process. Gotta love Instagram. And I also post just amazing content over on Instagram in general, behind the scenes stuff of the setup that you'll see first on Instagram before it goes on YouTube probably. So yeah, follow the account, dude, at TechBlockEm. It's just the best. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. See you in the next video.